In this video, we will guide you through on how to refund a game on Steam. Before we begin, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's start. Here we are on the Steam app or the Steam website. Simply click the help button on the top left side of Steam and then click support. After clicking Steam support, you are going to see your recent products that you have purchased. In my case, I haven't purchased anything yet. Basically, what we're going to do is show you some examples. Say for example, you purchased this one here. You are going to head and scroll down until you see what problem are you having with this product. So here, there are a lot of options to choose from. And what we need to look for here is, it's not what I expected or I purchased this by accident. So either of the two will be okay. You just have to click one of the two. After, you should be able to see these options here. First option says, help me fix gameplay or technical issues. And the second one is, I'd like to request a refund. So say for example, you want to have your refund. You're going to go ahead and click, I'd like to request a refund. After doing so, you should be able to follow their prompt and then Steam will give you your refund. I hope this helped you and thanks for watching.